Hi everyone, I'm teacher Andre from ChrisAmericas.com. Welcome to our lesson on improving your English pronunciation. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some essential tips and tricks to help you sound more like a native English speaker. If you're looking to speak English more fluently and with greater confidence, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Let's talk about the basics of English pronunciation. English has 44 unique sounds, which can be challenging for the non-native speaker to master. As you can see from this diagram, these sounds are organized into groups based on their place and manner of articulation. Understanding these sounds is the first step in improving your English pronunciation. Let's move on to some practical tips on improving your English pronunciation. One common mistake non-native speakers make is improper tongue placement. The tongue plays a crucial role in shaping the sounds of the English language. For example, to produce this sound, you would have to place your tongue between your teeth. Whether it's a hard the sound or a soft the sound, the focus should stay on placing your tongue between your teeth to produce the sound. Let's take a look at some words to practice. Thing, father, teeth. Notice that although the sound appears different in each word, the placement of your tongue stays between your teeth when you're trying to produce this sound. Another common challenge is mastering English stress patterns. English words are stressed on certain syllables, which can change the meaning of the word if not pronounced correctly. Think about the word fantastic. This word can be divided into 3 syllables. When we pronounce the syllables, do we say each one the same? Fantastic? No, because the stress is on the second syllable in this word. Fantastic. Finally, a fun way to improve your pronunciation is by using tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are phrases or sentences that are difficult to say quickly and accurately, making them a great way to improve your pronunciation. An example of a tongue twister can be, Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought a better butter, and it was better than the bitter butter. Well, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you found some of these tips helpful in improving your English pronunciation. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep on practicing and you'll be speaking like a native English speaker in no time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more language learning videos. Goodbye and see you in our next video.